Hey guys, Robbie White Jr. is here. My voice is DJ the Allosaurus. I'll let you guys know is this video, it would be awesome and you guys will love it. So hit the subscribers and enjoy the video. Stop the fireworks into the high school. Every time that you use it. Huh? Hey, what is this? Where does that came from? It's kind of like some drink. It said Ryan Super Velociraptor powerful. I don't know what it's supposed to says. But you think? Well, maybe I'll some drink. That way it'll look tasty. And it's opening. Well, I'm gonna drink it right now. Wow, it tastes look delicious. I'm gonna check all the others how they've been doing. So. And I don't like to go in there. It's because it's way too far. Because, well, and I'm falling. I keep falling, you see? It kind of makes sense. So, what do you think if you keep falling down and you don't get under the controller? Hey, guys. Oh, hey, Ryan. What you doing? Oh, nothing. We would just talk about something. Like a lot of very important. Yeah. Maybe make a lot of reason why, because Mr. Hospital told us we need to take everything out of there before we take the trash out in the outside. Oh, okay, that makes sense. So, I will let you know if we could do something. Ugh, you sound like very gross. Yeah, that sounds disgusting. Ryan, what are you saying? I heard you like like that. Yeah, I mean, you need supposed to be manners when you burp. Sorry, I was having a drink and... Excuse me. Sorry, I needed to do that. Yeah, I know that, but you need to try to get rid of the burping because we don't like it with you doing this. Yeah, we don't want you to do this. Jeez, that was so loud. Yeah, Ryan, you need to quit burping like that. That was not healthy for you. Oh my goodness me, Ryan. Why you have to burp it so very loud and louder? You better get under there already. Oh, whoops. I better get and move on. I'll catch you guys later. When I don't like it or something, I will just wagging my tails, and that way they need to stay away from me. It doesn't make no sense. Hey guys. Oh, hey Grant. How you been doing? Oh, I'm doing good. And you're Grant. I'm Ryan, not Grant. You just messed up. Oh, sorry. I mean, hey. Ryan, thank you. So, how you guys been? Ugh, Ryan, that was so loud and very gross. What was that did you just have? Well, I just have a drink, and turns out I just like... Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to do that. Can you just get me out of here? I almost just fell. I think we need to get some help. Like, after we need discussion about this. Do you have any idea what just happened to Ryan when he keep burping? Well, we wasn't sure what just happened to him. Like, he just said it and he burped so loud. I wonder what is going on with him. What's that you talking about? Oh, Ryan, don't just burp. No, no, no. Uh-oh. Here we come. Uh-oh. Everybody get down. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I can't help it. I don't know how to make it stop burping. Do something. I think we need to get Mr. David. Yeah, I'm gonna tell him right now. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm here. So, what's the meaning of the problem with that? Well, we just have a problem with Ryan because he have a burp so many times and he can't stop. Alright. Ryan, can you say ah? Ah. Whoa. 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 Ryan, don't burp it on my face. That's so gross. And it's something, I knew that something happening, but I don't know what it is. Or any idea you can see and find out who can cause them to get a burp? Like a water? Or any idea? Well, it cannot be a water who's the one to do this, but only he have something else like some drink or any food. So I need to get back to work. So try and figure out do something all by yourself. Oh, great. I guess he didn't know. Well, try asking him what happened, okay? Hey Ryan, when the last turn did you just have? I'll show you. There, right here, I just have one when I saw it when I taken a walk. Wait, is that a paper that science said Ryan, powerful velociraptor? It cannot be, it was not real. I wondered it's kind of fake. Huh? Oh, there's something on the back. Let's see what it said. I'll try to take it off. Okay, it said, warning, we have caused burping forever. Oh, what? A burping forever by those soda? How could this possible? I have no idea, but who could have done this? I have no idea. I'm sorry, excuse me. I don't know. Okay, you know what? If anybody noticed, then who could have done this anyway? For real. It was me. What? Brady? Did you just? Yep, I just did that for Ryan because that's supposed to be like it be funny. Are you seriously right now, Brady? Why would you do that? Why? I like it's supposed to be funny. Well, it's not funny. You made him burp so many times and he can't stop. It's gonna be forever. Well, you see that, Brady? That's what happened. And I can't talk because I was burping. I guess we're gonna tell Mr. Houseman right now. It was just a prank. Oh, really? You say it's supposed to be a joke? Would you make it some drink for Ryan and cause it burping? Did you think it's supposed to be funny? Would you ever do this? Well, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do this. You're coming with me right now into my office. But why? Let's go, Brady. You guys are the losers I knew that I couldn't have when you give me a trouble. I will give you some water so it make you stop burping. So I'll be right back. Okay. Here you go, Ryan. I put a little bit of water for you. That way you will never get burped anymore, so... Thanks, DJ. Okay. Let's see. I hope Burping work. How'd you feel, Ryan? Huh? I have no burp anymore. That is good to hear, Ryan. Finally, you have no burp. I hope you better not be drinking anymore. Nope, I just not. Hey, you guys. Yes, Grant? You will not believe what I just happened because I was just... Oh, you see? Oh, just great. Again? Seriously, Grant? You too? Brady.
Here comes a dinosaur, a big T-Rex. He's swinging.